Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up TradingView charts on your phone. First, head to your phone's App Store and download the free TradingView application. Once installed, open it up and either create a new account or log in using your existing details. The mobile interface is super user-friendly, making it easy to navigate. You'll be ready to start customizing your charts in just a few moments, setting the foundation for your trading analysis. Now, let's get your chart looking just right. Tap the search icon to find your desired financial instrument, whether it's a stock, crypto, or forex pair. Next, select your preferred chart type. Many traders favor candlesticks for detailed price action. You can easily switch time frames from a quick 1-minute view to a broader 1-month perspective, giving you flexibility for any trading strategy. To deepen your analysis, let's add some indicators. Tap the plus icon on the chart to open the Indicators menu. Here, you can search for and apply a wide range of technical tools, like the 20-period moving average or the relative strength index. Don't forget the drawing tools. You can easily add trend lines, support and resistance levels, or Fibonacci retracements directly onto your chart for precise analysis. Finally, let's ensure your hard work isn't lost. Once you've perfected your chart setup, tap the Save icon to store your layout. You can create several templates, perhaps one for day trading and another for swing trading, each with unique indicators. These saved layouts will sync across all your devices, so your personalized charts are always just a few taps away, ready for your next trading session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.